Where can Yuehang insulating glass machine lines save energy? In recent years, the insulating glass industry has higher and higher requirements for manufacturers, but profits are getting lower and lower, so it is crucial to choose an energy-saving insulating glass machine line for the manufacturers. First of all, in the cleaning section, if a new piece of glass is not loaded within 20 seconds after loading a piece of glass, the brushes and nozzles will automatically shut down. Secondly, our fan is equipped with a butterfly valve. Generally speaking, the butterfly valve is closed when the glass is stopped. After the butterfly valve is closed, the entire fan will perform soft circulation, so that energy saving can be achieved to a certain extent. Thirdly, our machine line is equipped with a photoelectric switch at the beginning and end of each section. When the photoelectric switch cannot detect the movement of the glass, the entire transmission structure does not operate. On the contrary, only when the photoelectric switch detects that the glass starts to move, the transmission structure starts to operate. This can play a great role in saving energy and extend the service life of the transmission wheel and bearings.